Hi everyone, in front of you Brother ink tank printer refill ink system. The model number is DCP-T420w. Right now I gave the print test page and printer is not printing any color, nor black, neither color. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to clean the print head using your computer. First of all, you have to connect your computer using network or using USB cable and install the complete software of Brother printer. Then you have to open interface in Windows 11. If you have like this, it will open settings and you have to go here Bluetooth and devices, and here you will see printers and scanners, or simple press Windows R button, Windows R, and right here control printers. Control printer, you will see this window. Click on here, or in front of you will open all printers. So this is the printer I have right now, Brother. Both, one is network, one is USB cable. Right click on your printer or just click on it simply and go printing preferences. When you will go printing preferences, you will see the interface of Brother utilities. If you are not able to see this like kind of interface, it means that you didn't install the driver complete from Brother website. So you have to install complete driver with software, and then you will find this type of window. We have to click on maintenance here. I will click on maintenance, and then you check first print quality. I already checked, it's not printing any color, so I will go straight away to print head cleaning, the second option. And there are three options here: black only, color only. If no color is printing, then select all. You have to press select all, and you have to press next. Okay, three options more you will find: normal cleaning, strong cleaning, strongest. If you are simple minor blockage, so simple small lines or like kind of missing some colors, then you go for normal. If in the middle, you can go for strong. In my case, I started already strongest because printer is totally printing blank page. So we started it already. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes, and then we will check. I think it's already completed. I can check the print quality now. We have to enter the paper because there is no paper inside. Enter the paper, and then I checked just a while ago. It's printed nothing, and now I will see if it's print something for us. Yeah, great to see. Before it was printing no color, not a single color. Now printing all colors. That's cool. Cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. This was the process to clean the print head. If you have printer T420w. And anything else like in the Brother printer, you can ask down in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. All the best.